Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to private or public your Reddit community. So whether you have a Reddit community that is currently public and you want to private it, or you have a private one and you want to make it public, I'm going to walk you through the steps to actually do that. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you click on that Reddit community on the left hand side. So find it, click on the Reddit community. Then on the upper right, click on the mod tools. And then from here, you want to scroll down on the left hand side and you want to go ahead and find the option that says general settings. Now from here, you want to look to the top and click on privacy and discovery on the settings there. And here you'll find a community type. It says private. Click on that and you can switch this to public or restricted or vice versa, right? So let's say I want to make this public, click on next. Then you can say a reason for changing. You can just say whatever, ready to go live, for example, that, and click and submit request. And that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and click got it, and that's all there is to it, and you just need to wait. And that's all that you have to do. So you can make it private or public, but these are the steps to actually change that, guys.